This is not clickbait. A flying goose did hit my car. So this happened recently. My wife was driving my Nissan Pathfinder, and out of nowhere, a goose came flying out on the driver's side, hit the front bumper, ricocheted off, and stumbled in the air onto the passenger side. Now I'm so glad I installed a PPF clear protection film on this vehicle a couple of months back, because if I didn't, I know there'd be a lot of damage on the bumper. So let me first show you what the bumper looks like right now. As you can see, the bumper looks fine, and the goose hit right at the front here on the driver's side in this location. The impact was so hard, it actually popped this corner of the bumper right off, and it did put a couple of marks here. I was able to wash it off very easily. I'm pretty sure if I didn't install the 3M protection film on this bumper, there will be damage on the clear coat or the paints. So this product definitely saved this bumper. So now let me show you the actual video footage of the goose hitting this vehicle. So there you go. I want to share with you what happened recently to this vehicle and how the PPF film performed. It definitely saved the bumper on this vehicle. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.